Today we're going to watch a video about the Articles of Confederation. As you watch this video, I want you to focus on the strengths and weaknesses of the document.
We declared independence, so now what? The new nation is going to need some form of government. It's important to It is important to realize that the Constitution was not the first founding document after independence. So how were things set up at first? I usually liken the first national government to the European Union. Realistically, each individual state saw itself as its own country. Having just dealt with what they considered tyranny from an outside force, the founders were very afraid of a strong central government. They especially did not want taxes to be imposed from some central government. After all, no taxation without representation had been the rallying call for the revolution. So what did the Articles of Confederation establish? The Articles of Confederation created a central government, but most power still rested in the states. The purpose of the central government was diplomacy, printing money, resolving controversies between the states, and most importantly, coordinating the war effort. This included creation and maintenance of the Continental Army. The problem was, the central government was given this job, but was given no way to accomplish it. Under the Articles of Confederation, the Congress was tasked with creating and maintaining an army, and they could request states send soldiers, but they couldn't demand or enforce the request. Also, under the Articles of Confederation, the central government could print money, but they could not tax. The federal government could request that all the states pay their fair share, but that is when, like, all of your friends that go out for pizza. Pennsylvania's a super cool and super nice guy, but he always leaves his wallet at home. The printing of money to pay for the war, but having no way to back the money, led to horrible inflation. By the end of the war, everyone had fistfuls of worthless money. When the states were asked to raise taxes to back the currency, most just refused and just began printing their own money. Which then also succumbed to the same inflation. Under the Articles, it is easy to see how the primary power was left to the states,